birthday. I just want to tell you happy birthday. I love you. You're getting bigger. You're smarter.
We're leaving shortly.
And you have the future ahead of you. So just make right decision, and you got your parents to come and ask questions anything you want. Okay? And I like her mom make her look special. I don't care nobody want to say, but Crissy forget as much bashing as CMR. And as fact, Crissy forget more bashing than CMR, because it's Crissy responsibility to take care of our kids them and make sure so your kids them safe. Yeah? Crissy, you know CMR did it. You know that. Another one, another two, another three time. The man put gear bun. You know what I mean? You know the man can't see have him taking them pants and leave it alone, Crissy. And you keep on give the man chance and chance and chance to him. Now, him come, mingle with your own little daughter. And you see, if me was that daughter father, oh God, Crissy, you'd have to run away, you'd have to run away, because of you bring a junker in the safety of the child. Enough of a female now realize enough of a yamed. We don't put man above on the kids them too much. Yeah? I mean, I talk about who have daughter. All if you don't have son, because enough of them money out of some undercover shit in a plate. Some undercover transmission. You know what I'm saying? No for you put man over and put them too much. Protect on the kids them. Protect on the kids them from everybody. Yeah? Crissy no say CMR a dog. And she keep on giving chances, man chances, man chances, man chances. Father gotta show you a lesson. And Father gotta teach all of them and show them a lesson as well. Yeah? When you see the signs them, work with them. Yeah? When you see the signs them, work with them. Crissy, you bring this down for your pit to them. Crissy, you make your daughter go through this trauma. Crissy, you make your daughter feel hurt. Yeah? You make this man do everything to your pitney. Because you put man above your kids them safety. You know, say the man a dog. You know, say the man can't keep him thinking in them pants. And you have this junker around the daughter. It hurt, you know? And you know who I feel sorry for? The daughter. Me not feel sorry for you, no, Crissy. Me not feel sorry for you. Yeah, you see your face tough like a yamed.
Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. This is Rodney's Kitchen and Lifestyle now, guys. Me be away for a little minute, MIA. But me dey back here now, ready for giving you some news and some lifestyle. Now, this morning, to the video, me need you to watch this video from start to finish. Comment. Me have a question for ask also, my viewers and subscribers. Do you all believe that Crissy sacrificed her daughter for wealth? Yeah, it's a hard question to ask, it's a hard question to answer. But do you believe Crissy sacrificed her daughter for wealth and a heavy lifestyle and a big lifestyle, all the fame and glamour? Comment down below, make me know if you don't believe she do that. Anyway, make you get into the video. Subscribers, if you don't know Mr. Vegas, see him there. Mr. Vegas is one Jamaican artist where many don't like. And if you tell him something, and him believe you, him go tell you, say, yeah, you tell the truth. Mr. Vegas happen for talk. What me just say a while ago? Talk to CMR. Let me fix my glasses, you know. Yes, Mr. Vegas happen for talk to him. So what me want to do is listen to what Mr. Vegas have to say about what CMR said to him and where him find out. So, uno listen.
Heal up. Now I want to talk about CMR again. People who know Mr. Vegas for years, you will understand that I am a strong advocate against these predators. As a matter of fact, I don't like them. I nearly dirt one of them, you know. I almost dirt one of them. Because he's a secondary victim, you know. Meaning, say, somebody when me related to, close to, love, got molested. So he's a secondary victim. And secondary victims, they do hurt too. So me not like predators. However, me still leave room for a person to get due process. So me not just jump up and as me hear people I say somebody do something, or if somebody get arrested, me run out and say the person for dead. No. I believe in a due process. More I see the evidence. Yeah. In this case with CMR, I have heard enough. And based on the police report, I want to tell you, CMR, so you're sick. I mean, I say you're sick based on just the police report. May I tell you, say you're sick based on what you tell me. But with your situation, the reason why I have to let it be known so you're sick is because you're not only a monster, in my view, in my understanding, in my thoughts, you're a pathological liar. Yeah. And it hurt me if you know, so I say that before your trial even start, if it get to that. But whether you go to trial, yes or no, you are a pathological liar. Whether you're found guilty, them find you guilty, yes or no, you are a pathological liar. Based on the police report and what you tell me. What you told me and what is in the police report, and you spoke to me so convincing, and me as a father felt obligated to go and protect your stepdaughter. Because the people them put her picture all over the internet. Worse than have a family thing and everybody know her face. So I felt as a father that I must go out there and tell them, say, it's not your stepdaughter. Because you told me it's not your stepdaughter. You told me it's somebody's daughter come sleep over your house. You told me it's a Trini lady daughter come sleep over. So right there say click to me, say, me no want my pitney go sleep on nobody yard, you know. One, me not sure how I go on, me not know how I go on, and two, me no want nobody accuse me of anything. But I know that the police reporter say, brother. You say the little girl, the mother, reported to the police. I know that the police reporter say. You say the mother is a Trini, and the little girl sleep over your house. And you went to wake her up, and you touch her upon her shoulder and say, get up, time for school. You told me that your stepdaughter was already up playing with her iPad on the bed. You told me that your wife had to download the footage them that you had to show that you are innocent and take it to the court, and that is how you got bail. You told me that they didn't even put a bangle on you. They never put no monitor on you, no bracelet, excuse me. Because the judge said, why is it that the mother is saying one thing and the child is saying something else? You said the child said. So what you tell me now? You said the child said to the court or in her report that she never said you touch her upon her breast. And the mother said so.
Guys, I want to show you something and show you how sick this guy really is. There is this little part of this video. I needed to watch this part. Honestly, it's kind of hard to watch, but watch this.
If you
Watch his camera movement. Watch him. This is that little girl. Why is he doing that? Watch him. Watch him really good. Look, watch him really good. What is he? See what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? What is he doing? Now, some viewers and subscribers, you hear what Mr. Vegas have to say. And when Mr. Vegas I say it from day one. Yeah, me I say it from day one. Once the police come and pick you up, them have something solid. And if the biggest problem in this whole case where me think all of the people them were even same our sister-in-law and same our brother come out and I say all kind of something, what them now realize is this. The school. Yep. Oh yeah. The guidance council at the school is who informed the police about the situation at the home. And the guidance council is the one who tell the police that she, the little girl, don't want to tell the mother because of how the mother look at Samar. Like Samar is the king. So she not go believe where she say. Let me tell you this. You know me I go bash me after this. But the police interrogate her. Yeah. Cause long hours them have her in a police station. I ask her whole heap of question. Because remember me tell her, them police are not idiot. Them police not fool. Them police know she have to know something. If you look on the birthday picture, look at the birthday picture where she hug up. Where Samar hug her up. Look on her face. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this video.
Birthday. I just want to tell you happy birthday. I love you. You're getting bigger. You're smarter.
We're leaving shortly.
And you have the future ahead of you. So just make right decision, and you got your parents to come and ask questions anything you want. Okay? And I like her mom make her look special.
Now my viewers and subscribers. See all that? All that allow her to not seeing what's going on in the house. Tell me if you don't believe she don't know what's going on in the house. Tell me, say, the daughter, say, she think too much of Samar. So that's why the daughter couldn't tell she nothing. The daughter have to go to school and tell somebody at the school what happened to her. All she worry about is this. Hold on a little bit. All she worry about is that. That's all she worry about or thinking about. She wasn't thinking about her daughter. Me watch many of them videos. Me love the prank one them. Nah lie. Me now take that from them. The prank video them, nice. Yeah, the one that prank her mother. Yeah, me love them one there. Me not telling a lie, me love them. But me no love Wagwan. All because of that. You tell me say because of money, fame, beauty. You make your daughter been in a tragedy for how long? Yeah, for how long? For how long? You know. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, we're going to move to something different.
Good morning, people. Good morning, good morning. So, the video I'm put up on TikTok and YouTube on the right, it never made no sense, and when I chat is fuckery, right? So, I rest my case. When I have nothing to say. When I don't have nothing to say, people. More than when it's a bash me, I say the man touch me when me little. People listen to me. When me make cushion, it was 2018. And yes, me breed when me are 14. No doubt. When I hide it because it eventually up on my YouTube and it eventually up on my TikTok. So, I rest my case.
Child is molested. That affects the child so much. I'm telling you. Only God can intervene and help that child. A lot of times you see women that are doing these things and you're wondering, why are they doing it? If you really do check the background, something happens somewhere there that causes them to now have this type of lifestyle. For them to now be portrayed themselves like this. I don't play when it comes to my kids. But I play certain joke. I don't run certain joke when it comes to my pitney. This is why I said I will not just leave my kids with just about any and anybody. And anybody feel no type of way about that, you take it up with God. But I don't play pitney joke. You get what I'm saying? My child come first. Above anybody at any given time. Man, woman, mother, father, brother, sister, I don't care. My child come first. Anything my pitney say, Allah. Anything my pitney say you do or say, I saw you go. Because nobody believed me. Nobody believed me. Those who were to believe me, they didn't believe me. It wasn't a safe space for me to come and say to you, this is happening the first time, the second time, the third time, the fourth time, the fifth time, the sixth time, to the point where I started accepting and saying that it's my fault. It's my fault. Enough of the man of them, enough of the man of them, enough of the stepman of them, they are aware. Them know say the man them a dog shit. Them know say the man them a drunk. Them know. My pitney, I want to pay attention to my pitney. Me watch my pitney like Ark, and me and Robin alone live. And me watch Robin like Ark, because I need to know what's going on. And me ask questions. You get what I say? Me I check your little panty them or something, what's going on. Somehow know. When I love man more than I love on a pitney. Me not run pitney joke. You hear me I tell you? Me not run pitney joke. And them Jamaican man, as them see the little girl in my bus burst, I've seen this guy, JD Unit, on the internet with his 13-year-old and the amount of people in the comment section about the man little daughter and our body this and our body that. Them man, and the woman them in the comment section we're gonna talk about, oh, I must a prank and oh, I set him up. We don't just pay keen attention to them people. We check to see if them have girl pitney in them yard. And check up on them girl pitney them. Because most of the time, when you hear them talk them something there, I saw them stay for true. Them daughter will come to them and they will say, oh, Allah, yeah, tell us, try to set up the man. Every little man when I have no try to fight me out, no now come between me and my man. Enough of them woman, I saw them stay. But I run pitney joke, you hear me I tell you? This freaking hit home for me. And most of the time when the pitney them go through them